Today's video, I'll talk about how to fix Instagram error story problem. So the answer is easy. So just go to the settings. Now scroll down to the app section, and then go to the search and search on Instagram. Now next go to the storage, and here you'll find this clear cache. Click on it. Now you can go to check it if it worked. If it didn't work, you can maybe try to clear data. You can try to restart the phone, and if it didn't work again, you can try to clear data, but be careful. When you clear data, you lose all your files, all your Instagram's data in files and databases and settings, accounts, and etc. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.